Hello, my name is Kayla. I am a senior at UWGB, going to school for psychology. When I graduate, I would like to go back to school to become a school psychologist. And some fun facts about me are in the summer, I really like to hike and read a book, and I really like to tie-dye. So I'm going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh the way I made it when I was a kid. All you need is hair conditioner and cornstarch. I use really cheap hair conditioner that smells good, and cornstarch from any store. And if you would like, you can use food coloring to make the Play-Doh any color you want. So in my bowl here, I have a cup of cornstarch and half a cup of hair conditioner. I'm going to mix it together really well. I do this outside because cornstarch is kind of messy and sometimes it blows out of the bowl, even if you're inside. So I'm going to mix this all together really well, and when it starts to look a little bit like Play-Doh, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and start to knead it with my hands until it's like Play-Doh. Alrighty, so this made my hands a little bit messy, but it washes right off. And it's going to look just like Play-Doh. It's super soft and it smells really good. I'm going to make mine blue. If you want to keep it white, you can. Otherwise, you can make it whatever color you want. But I'm going to take some food coloring. And if you want, ask a grown-up to help you with this because it's a little bit messy. But I'm going to put about 4 drops in here, just like that, very carefully, and then I'm going to mix it up until it's all blue and looks just the way I want it to look. Alrighty, so I kneaded all the coloring in. My hands are a little bit blue, but that's okay. Once it's the color you want it to be, you can play with it just like normal Play-Doh. When you're all done, you can put it in a Ziploc bag until the next time you want to use it. If it dries up the next time you want to use it, all you have to do is add just a little extra hair conditioner and it will be back to normal. So go try it out. I hope you like it.